Hi everyone, this is me P.A. Madhavareddy. I come again. In previous video, I explained about a simple present tense in present tense. Next, we learn about present continuous tense. In present tense, it is the second one in present tense. Okay, let's start our class. Before starts our class, I tell something that is, please subscribe my channel. Okay, and like, share, and comment. Please, this is this is I am a new YouTuber. Please encourage me. Okay, if you want any lessons from ninth class, please comment us of any chapter. I explain about that. If is there any mistakes, please suggest me. I will clear my mistakes. So please comment, and if you like it, encourage me to make more videos on ninth class subjects on more topics. Okay, let's start our class about present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, the structure form of present continuous is subject plus am or is or are plus V1 plus ing plus object. Here V1 refers to verb form 1, which indicates the present time. We learn in previous class. Okay, we learn about the third person. I mean, in first person, second person, third person in previous class only. Okay, let us check how the sentence are formed according to the structure. Okay, in singular first person, the subject is I. So I sing. Verb form one is sing ing plus ing. So sing plus ing is equal to singing a song. Here why after the I am is come. Why not is come? Because I it refers to me, so indicates me of a first person. So am I am is suitable for the subject, and we we are it's plural. Okay, next you are it is singular, but you refers to another person. You are is singing a song. You are singing a song. In this sentence, he or she or it Ram is singing a song. Here why not sings in a song? Because it is continuous tense. Let's explain about in users. They are singing a song. To now easily about where we use this one am or is or for higher classes students it is easy, but for the first or second standard it is difficult. So to learn easily about where we have to use this in which person, so easily in plural in three person we have to use are. See, are in three person we use are, so it is one plus point to remember in plural. Okay, next in singular first person has am, which come in order as am as first, and second person are, but it is not in order, so it is last. Remember that how to use. Here one first person, second person is 3 2, like one, like coming 1 2 3, like reverse jumbling 1 2 3. First is 1, last is 2, middle is 3. Okay, it is easily understand, I think. Okay, next we learn about uses of present continuous tense. Okay, next. Sorry. Okay, next. The present continuous is used at the time for an action going on at the time of speaking. It means now I am speaking with you. So it is a present continuous time. So it is present continuous time. So I say like I am teaching, or I am teaching about the tenses. Okay, it is the action going on at the time of speaking. Now I am speaking, so it is an action which is going in this time of speaking. So example, she is singing now. See, now, easily, now it happened. Now the boys are playing hockey. Sorry, the boys are playing hockey. For a second use, for a temporary action which may not be actually happening at the time of speaking. I am reading David Copperfield, but I am not reading at this time. So what we understand, like opposite to first use, it is second use. It means the action is not happening now, but it happening at the time of speak. But it sorry it the action not happening now, but we can use continuous tense without time. Time is not there. So for simple exam, I say that you say like I am studied in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. Example, I studied dash school, like ABC is school name. So I studied in ABC school. No, because you are studying in now that in that school. So we can't tell like that I am studying in ABCD school. So it was not happening at that time, but is a habit. Sorry, I mean not habit, it is a work of us. See, I am working on an English project, and engineering working on construct a bridge, but he was not working now. It is a work. Like that, my father is working in a factory. Sorry, my father my father is working in a factory. So I think it is clear. Okay, next. For an action that has already been arranged to take place in near future, it means the actions which are arranged to take place in nearly, after some time, after a few seconds. Okay, these are the use. Okay, examples, I am going to the cinema tonight. It means he want to go to cinema. Okay, he want to go to cinema, not now, in future, in some time, after the sometimes. Okay, like that we can use this. Next year is, it is the very important slide. You can take a screenshot or write down about this. Okay, first, the verbs of precipitation. I think it may not clear to us. Okay, the verbs, I make a point. Okay, the verbs of precipitation: see, hear, smell, notice, recognize. First, read about the use. The following verbs, on an account of their meaning, are not normally used in continuous form. It means, I say in Telugu also, ఏంటంటే కొన్ని పదాలు ఉంటాయి, వాటి అర్థాలు కొన్ని సెంటెన్స్లో వాడకూడదు ఇన్ కంటిన్యూస్ ఫామ్లో. అంటే ఇక్కడ కంటిన్యూస్ ఫామ్లో మనము ఆమీస్ ఆ తర్వాత V1 ప్లస్ ఐఎన్జి బై యాడింగ్ ఈఎన్జి. అంటే ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా సి అనుకుంటాం. సీయింగ్ సీయింగ్ ఏ గ్లాస్, ఇట్ ఈస్, అది తప్పు, ఎందుకంటే అది రూల్. ఇక్కడ చదవండి, ద ఫాలోయింగ్ వర్బ్స్, దీస్ ఆర్ ద వర్బ్స్ ఆన్ అకౌంట్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ మీన్, దాని యొక్క అర్థం బట్టి. are not normally used in continuous form. Because of their meaning, we can't use in continuous form. These are the verbs. I think anyone see in movie about love. Someone say I love you, but hero will say it is continuous tense. I loving you. It is the false. See, have you ever heard? Have you ever think about this? ఎప్పుడన్నా ఆలోచించారా ఎందుకు మనము కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ అయి ఐఎన్జి యాడ్ చేయము బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ మీనింగ్ వాస్ నాట్ suitable. By adding ing it was changed. So next, according to this, we make another slide about wrong or right. By adding this verb form it is wrong. Instead of that, what we use? Okay, these grapes are tasting sour. Here say the structure. According to the structure, the sentence is right, but the tasting is changed. It is not suitable the meaning. So we make in continuous tense also like this. These grapes taste sour. Yes, I am thinking you are wrong. I think you are wrong. She is seeming sad. She seems sad. See here, yes is there after the verb. In simple present tense we learn about this. So I think all are know. We if anybody is not see the first video, please watch the video first, that because through that video we can learn something in this video. Okay, he is having a cellular phone. Okay, next, he has a cellular phone. Okay, okay, next. Okay, sorry, by mistake it come. Okay, next, present continuous tense, another use. However, the verbs listed above can be used in the continuous tense with a change of meaning. Here the verbs are nothing but these verbs. Okay, ఓకే, హియర్ దీని అర్థం ఏంటంటే ఆ వర్బ్స్ కొన్నిసార్లు కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్లో వాడచ్చు. బట్ వాడచ్చు ఎలాంటప్పుడు? ఆ పదాల యొక్క అర్థం మారుతున్నప్పుడు. హియర్ సి, షీ ఈస్ టేస్టింగ్ ద సూప్ టు సీ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ నీడ్స్ మోర్ సాల్ట్. హియర్ ద టేస్టింగ్ మీన్స్ టెస్టింగ్ ద ఫ్లేవర్. He was not eating, he was not tasting. Here the meaning of this verb was changed. So in that time we can use that verbs in continuous tense. So like that some more examples are given. Okay,